Also, stay tuned, you guys, because I do have an announcement. No, I'm not gonna do that. Are we gonna do that? No, we're not gonna do that. No, I'll do the announcement second. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Kelly. I am a fashion reseller, and today I have a handbag haul. So I have handbags from two different locations, sources, whatever you want to call it, stores. So I have handbags that I ordered from Jomar. It was a 5-piece designer handbag lot, and then also I ordered handbags from Goodwill online. They have a store, so I ordered handbags from them. So Jomar, those handbags, I believe it was $99, and then I had to pay shipping and taxes, so that was like $126. And then the Goodwill, that box was $65. I think it came to around $70, $72 with like shipping and taxes. I'm not sure. That box was around $65. So I'm not necessarily trying to do a comparison because we have Jomar's with only 5 bags, high-end designer bags, and then we have Goodwill, and they call them designer bags. They're not actually designer bags. So not exactly a comparison, but I just wanted to do one combined video showing all these bags. So again, not exactly doing a comparison of the two, but you can compare if you want. Let's get into the haul. Okay, first handbag we have here is a Michael Kors crossbody. Overall, it is in good condition. I still have to condition it a little bit. There is a little dirt on the front, but it's clean. It is clean throughout, and it's got some card holders right here, and it's got some pockets inside. So overall, very good. So we're going to start with the Goodwill designer handbags. There are 10 handbags. Next is this Coach handbag. It's got the different patches of the Coach logo. So some of these are leather, some of them are just canvas. So really nice. And it is a zip front. And it has, so the thing is, it had some stains. So as you can see, this is pretty clean. I was able to get a lot of the stains out. There was actually a lot of like ink stain right here. So I was able to get those out. I've been using, I believe it's called Amodex, but it works wonders. I've never used it before. I've heard of it, but just never used it, and decided to give it a try, and I love it. So this is, I believe, oh, this is a factory handbag. If you look at that, you'll see that at the beginning, it starts with an F. So right there, that just indicates that it is a factory handbag. A few things to look for are the, so another thing to look for as far as, you know, identifying if it's authentic or not is the YKK zipper. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but YKK zipper. And you can just tell from the overall quality that it's authentic. And it does have the Coach hang tags still right here. So yeah, great bag, great bag. And I'll try to list the prices somewhere down here of what I think I'm going to get for it. I'm actually thinking about, I'm going to send all these handbags to ThredUp because they do sell well on ThredUp. It seems like they do price them appropriately on ThredUp. So yeah. Next is this Coach shoulder bag, super cute. Has a Coach hang tag. This is like a patent leather. I do like this bag. It's really nice. It has the adjustable strap right here. There is a pocket in the back. Very clean. There were some stains right here. So as you can see, I got those out again with that Amodex. And it's clean. You got another compartment and then another compartment with some pockets, and again another factory outlet bag. And yeah, this is super cute. This should do well also. Next is another cute shoulder bag. I think this style is called the Eddie. I'm not sure. It's got like this tri-compartment type deal going on. It's got like a satin finish inside. It is very clean inside, really cute. Is this another outlet bag? Another outlet bag. And I really like this. Super cute, has a coach hang tag. I like this style. This should do well also. Next is another shoulder bag. I wouldn't say this is necessarily it could be a crossbody because this is adjustable, but I would say more maybe like a shoulder bag, but you could carry it crossbody also. I really like this print, super cute, super simple. This is leather right here. You can adjust this part right here. It does have a pocket in the back. Again, this came very clean also. Really didn't have to do much to this. Another compartment. And then a compartment right here. So I love this one. This is cute. And doesn't look like this is a factory bag. So maybe just Coach. So maybe it'll be valued more by ThredUp. I guess we'll see about that. But yeah. Next is this Michael Kors shoulder bag. So this is a little bit of an older style. I mean, they're all older styles of course. But so this is nice. This is in pretty good condition. There's some wear to the straps a little bit. Let's see. Overall, it was pretty clean. Not bad, not too bad. I did have to, again, put some Amedex to some of this, and still some of those stains didn't come out. So because this one has stains that I wasn't able to get out, I might end up selling this one on my own because I just don't think ThredUp is going to accept something like this. That's flawed. So we'll see. We'll definitely see, but it is very roomy, very spacious. Lots of compartments. Some wear right here, as you can see. And there were a few spots, like ink spots inside, and I tried to get them out as much as I could, but I couldn't, completely get them out. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Again, might just end up selling this on my own. Probably price it at around $50 and see what happens. Try to get $40 for it. $35, $40. Next was this adorable little Coach wristlet. It's like this metallic gray color, super cute. So it did have some pilling. It did have like a little bit of pilling where the cards go, but overall, again, it is clean. Another thing I want to show you, this is a factory outlet item. And how do I know? I know because of this tag. If you look at that, there's a little dot that just indicates that it is a outlet item. And yeah. So a little card holder right here, and then this is for your cell phone. So it is adorable. It is cute. I'm gonna send it ThredUp, see what happens, but might have to end up selling it on my own because of that wear right there. But I'm thinking I can at least get like 20 bucks for this. Next is this adorable little, I don't want to call it a wristlet, like a little, I guess, shoulder bag, arm bag. Let me see. I guess, I don't think anybody would carry that on their shoulders, but it's adorable. This is adjustable. Has a little hang tag right there. It is very clean. I didn't have to do anything to this bag at all. Super clean. And let me see, is this an outlet bag? Is there a tag anywhere? Yeah, another tag right there. So yeah, super cute, and definitely gonna send this one to ThredUp. I saw a bag like this on ThredUp, and they had it priced for like $80, so that's pretty decent. I don't know how much it's gonna sell for, but if I could price this at $80, that's pretty good. Okay, next is this Dooney and Burke handbag. This is very pretty. This is I would say like a hobo bag. These are adjustable and it is like a pebbled leather. There are some markings right here. I still have to try to get that out. I'm not sure if that's paint or what. We will see. So inside actually isn't too bad. I don't have to do too much to it. There are a few little like stains, little white stains that I'll see if I can try to get out, but it's really not bad at all. It actually is pretty clean. It has that little key holder thing, and it has about like, there's a cell phone pocket in there, and then this pocket. So I was very happy when I saw this bag. Definitely will be able to price this bag at like 100, maybe over 100 on ThredUp. Next handbag is the same exact style as the other leather handbag, except this is canvas and it does have the Coach hang tag still. It was pretty clean, not too bad. Didn't have to do too much to it. Couple of spots I used the Amedex for. Has this compartment, then it has this middle zipper compartment as well, and has a whole bunch of pockets right here. So great style, and I'm excited about sending all these bags to ThredUp. That was the last bag. So now we're gonna move into the Jomar's designer bag. I have my little invoice right here. So it's 5 gently used pre-loved designer bags for $99.99. Shipping was $26.02, so I paid $126.01. And that came very quickly, actually. I think it took, the whole process was like maybe like 3 days from the time I ordered to the time I received it, so it was pretty quick. First handbag is by Sandro, so the tags were attached. So I'm not sure if some of these were either used or some of them are just brand new, because for a lot of them, the handbags were either attached or inside the bag. So either or, they still were all in excellent condition. So this first one is by Sandro, in excellent condition, really cute. You have to like turn this to open it, and it lifts up. It does come with the dust bag, so that was nice, and it's very clean. It's in, you know, excellent condition. And there's a little pocket right here. The plan for these bags, I'm also just gonna send these to ThredUp. Next is this like gold metallic crossbody with this chain strap. It did have this on the inside. I just attached it to the strap. So it retailed for $243, and it is super cute. It does come with the dust bag, and it was clean inside, and again looks brand new for the most part. So this should do well. I did look up comps just because I was curious about these bags, and there are some online on Poshmark. There also are some on eBay. There are a little more on Poshmark than eBay, but it's not like it's totally saturated, at least at the time when I checked comps. But again, I'm just going to send these to ThredUp. Sandro is a higher end designer brand that they do price very high on the site. So we'll see about that. The next handbag is this pretty green leather handbag. It has the tags attached. It does have the Bloomingdale's returned label on there. Let's see. So retail price, it says it retailed for $385, and then they marked it down to $192. So inside, so no dust bag with this one, but it is in excellent condition. And then the last handbag was Etienne Agner, I believe is how you say it, brand new with tags. So this tag retailed for $248. So this is really cute. I was like actually debating on it whether I wanted to keep it, and I was like, no, I'm not gonna keep it. Not gonna keep it. Okay, so super cute. It has a pocket on the back, and it says the designer's name on the back. And then you lift this up, and it's kind of like croc embossed, really cute, super pretty. And then this is a pocket, And then this is also a pocket. Of course, again, in excellent condition. And it does not come with a dust bag. So super cute, and I'm sure this will do well also. So this next handbag I've already sent to ThredUp. It's by Claudia Firenze. I searched it up and it is by an Italian designer. I could not find comps for this handbag. So when it got sent to, when ThredUp received it, they priced it at around $575. They let me price it at $459. It has 7 likes right now, so we'll see what happens. So overall, what do I think? So for the Goodwill did good. Goodwill didn't do bad. They were in better condition, honestly, than I expected. It was definitely a good price for all those handbags. I got 10 handbags, so that was 65 divided by, so that's like $6.50 a bag. So that is pretty good, not bad. Especially that's around the price that my Goodwill prices their handbags at, if not a little, but they definitely would have priced those higher had they been in the store. So that was really good. I would definitely order from Goodwill again. Jomar, it did say high-end designer bag. Sandro is a high-end designer. So I can't really necessarily complain and say, oh, they didn't send me any high-end bags. I did not expect to get all Sandro bags and then that one Claudia bag. Overall, I can't necessarily complain again. The fast shipping, the price, I'm not sure about the price. Would I order again? Maybe. I don't know. I do love handbags and also love selling handbags, so maybe I will order it again. I'm not sure. So of course, what was the better value? Of course, the better value was getting 10 handbags for only $65, paying $6.50 a piece. But also the designer handbags, again, they were new with tags, excellent condition. Even if they were pre-loved, I can't tell. So I would definitely give it a go. I would definitely recommend ordering the Jomar bags or ordering from Goodwill. Either or. Of course, if you don't like pre-owned bags that have flaws, maybe you shouldn't order from Goodwill, but and then you would want to order from Jomar. But yeah, all in all, I definitely recommend ordering from Goodwill, and I also recommend ordering the bags from Jomar. Okay guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this haul. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on those notifications so you know when I post my next video, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.